Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Rumela, and in today's video I am going to show you how I created this sweet and spicy makeup look. I named this sweet and spicy because I have gone with neutral eyes and a bold lip, which is my favorite look for a lot of occasions. I really love a neutral eye and bold lips. I think it goes well with a lot of dresses, and that is it. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So I have tied my hair up because I don't want it to come in the way of my makeup. That's that. I have already prepped my face and I have used the Garnier Light Complete Serum Cream. It has SPF 40, so it's perfect for daytime, and since I am into acid-based skincare, I really need an SPF even when I'm indoors. So that is that. For foundation, I am using Sugar Drop the Base Serum Foundation, and I am in the shade 42 Glaze. So I am taking just a little bit of the foundation directly onto my skin. And I'm using this brush right here to blend out my foundation. I am using a little bit more foundation because I thought that wasn't enough to cover my blemishes. And also guys, this is a very lightweight foundation and the finish is amazing, so I'm a fan of this foundation already. For under eyes, I am using the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. This is a darker shade for me, so I am going to use this beneath my concealer shade. Just blending it out using my fingers. For concealer, I am using Sugar Magic Wand Concealer in the shade 45 Corn Panna. I am going to use this in the inner corners. Going to set all of this using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 25 Medium. So now that my base is done, I am going to move right into my eyes, and for that I am using the Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave eyeshadow palette. So I am using the lighter shade here, the lightest shade, and I am going to use that to contour my eyes. Using it as a base for my eye makeup. So I am going to use this brush right here, and using a darker shade from the same palette, and I am going to apply that right onto my crease. Next I am going to use this shade right here, this one. and applying it all over my eyelid. I'm going to use my fingers because that's how we can get the maximum pigmentation. I am taking this brush again and going to blend everything out so that it looks nice and seamless. Next, I am going to use this shade to highlight my inner corners. And also using the same color to highlight my brow bone as well. Taking little more of the shimmery shade and intensifying my shadow. Next, I am going to curl my lashes using an eyelash curler from Vega. This is a really good eyelash curler. I got it for just 210 rupees, guys, and it is an amazing eyelash curler. So if you're looking for a nice affordable eyelash curler, I would definitely recommend this one to you guys. I am going to put on some falsies. I'm going to do that off camera and get so. There was a problem, guys. I did not put on my eyelashes because the glue that came along with the lashes had completely dried out. I'll show you guys. I have 2 glues here and they have completely dried out. See, so I could not put on my lashes. So what I did was I just curled my lashes and put on some mascara. So that is it. So now I'm going to do my lower lashes. Taking an angled brush like this and taking the same brown shade that I used to contour my eyelashes, crease, I am putting it on my lower lash line as well. Next, I am going to do my brows and I am using the same angled brush and taking the black shade from the eyeshadow palette and going to do my brows. I don't usually do my brows because I think I have pretty thick brows already.
Using a spoolie, just brushing off the excess so that my eyebrows look nice and natural.
Next, I am going to move on to my face and I am going to use the contour and blush palette from Sivana Colors. I am going to very slightly contour my face. I am taking this contour shade from the palette and going to slightly contour my face. I am going to contour my nose using a small angled brush like this one. blush, I am using the Lakme Duo Blush Kit in the shade Pink. Just taking a little bit of the blush and applying onto the apples of my cheeks and taking it all the way towards the outside of my face. I always like to overdo my blushes, guys, because I don't know, it disappears in like 10 minutes. So if I apply a lot of blush, it will stay at least for some time. So that is what I do.
I am going to highlight my face using this highlight shade from the same kit.
I am going to apply it on the high points of my cheeks. A little bit on my cheeks as well. I am going to highlight the center of my face as well using the same highlighter. Base is done, and I am going to fix my makeup using the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. Just shaking it and spraying it all over my face. And just I'm going to move on to my lips, and for my lips I am using the Faces Ultim Pro Matte Lip Crayon in Majestic Rose. This is a very maroon red lip crayon. So this is the finished look, you guys. This is how the look turned out to be, and I'm really loving the look. I really love bold lips and subtle eyes. So this is my perfect kind of look. If you like the look, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Love you so much. Bye.